Okay, next up is Lendsnap. 3 minutes on the clock and 1 to go after this. 3, 2, go.
Hi, my name is Orion, and this is Mike. Mike has been in the mortgage industry for 14 years, and I've been a real estate investor since I was a teenager. Together, we built Lendsnap to help every lender become a tech lender. We enable lenders to link to consumer financial accounts to more easily gather the qualifying documents. Let's take a look at what this looks like. Here we can see Sally's screen. Sally is a loan officer who is about to invite her borrower, Bill, to turn in all his documents. She can specify the list of what he needs to turn in, and Bill is going to get a co-branded email that shows him what to do and gives him a button to log in. Now, once he logs in, he's going to see the same list of what he's supposed to turn in and Sally's picture and information there. Now, the real magic happens when Bill links his first financial account. We're going to be able to go out to his financial institution and start pulling in these documents. In this case, Bill is linking Capital One 360. And once he's done that, there's no reason to stop there. He can continue while that is in process. And now Bill is going to link Bank of America. And the documents start flowing in. Now, we enable uploading, of course, that loan officers can ask for any document they want. Bill is uploading a driver's license, and when he's done with that, more documents have come in. It's that simple. We take a 6-hour process and cut it down to 20 minutes for both sides of the table. Huge productivity improvement for loan officers. Now, we don't just do bank statements, we also do employer portals, and we link to 20 of them. And here, Bill is going to connect to Gusto, and we're going to pull in a Gusto pay stub. So that document has come in. We can take a look at it. Now, these are the original, authentic electronic documents from the source. That's very important in mortgage. We also get transactional data. Our competitors only get transactional data. Back on Sally's dashboard, the documents are immediately ready for viewing. So we've been growing rapidly. We handle over 200 applications in the month of March, and we're growing quickly. Our customers have told us we improve their conversion dramatically, and we've helped them close loans that they would not have been able to otherwise. This is a pivotal moment in lending. Connected lending is the new lending. Consumers are familiar with account aggregation, and the government is behind the movement. But 12,000 lenders have no internal technical capability, and they need Lendsnap to help them. We maintain their existing workflows and enhance their portfolio liquidity with data and original documents. We are also the only company in the space with an online sign-up that lenders can use to rapidly try out the service. As you can see, our management team is very good looking, and we've raised $570,000 of our seed round. We hope you'll join us to transform mortgage. We're on Seed Invest. Thank you.
Okay, let's hear it for Lendsnap. Feedback from our judges.
Can you tell us how you make money? How much are you guys charging?
So we charge lenders $100 per seat, typically, and we have 50 users right now.
$100 a seat?
Per seat per month.
Oh,
SaaS pricing, yes.
So what's your security like?
We have a lot of security. We have bank-level security because we're handling bank data. We've been SOC audited. That's Service Organization Controls. And we also hire penetration testing companies to white hat hackers to break into our systems.
What is the competitive landscape? Because I'm not very familiar with this.
So there are some competitors. Rocket Mortgage by Quicken Loans is a product that generated a lot of interest. We help every lender compete with Rocket Mortgage. Now, Form Free is a company that has done a lot working with Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to drive adoption of this technology. But there's a problem that a lot of lenders have to compromise their portfolio liquidity if they're only going to use electronic data. So we deliver the documents with it. It is a niche. Mortgage has a lot of technical rules that we support.
So it's not just an API access to the data. You also deliver paper documents?
We deliver original electronic documents. So banks, underwriters need copies of the forms, the PDFs.
Yep.
So we meet the industry right where it is today.
Who are your target customers? Are you just targeting the smaller lenders or big guys as well?
So The top 10 lenders have lost market share from 80% down to about 30% in the last 4 years, and we're targeting the long tail. There's actually 16,000 registered lenders, and we're going after the segment that does not have internal technology. So most of them smaller, but talking to companies up to 1,000 loan officers.
Okay. Any more questions?
So these smaller lenders have budget for buying this sort of platform, or is the ROI immediate for them? Like, are they firing?
Right. It's very easy to show them an ROI calculation where they're actually losing money by not using our service. It's typically a loan processor is paid $400 to work with a consumer to get all their documents, and we do this for $100 a month, right? Which comes out to maybe $15 per application.
You know, my sense is that these brokers are always looking for more customers. Do you help them, or have you thought about, helping them generate the actual leads?
I'm sorry?
The actual customers?
Well, we sell software to mortgage lenders who invite their borrowers to turn in documents. What's the question?
I'm just saying, I looked at something pretty similar. And the question, you're doing all this automation where you're uploading all the documents. I'm wondering, in terms of ROI, how much cheaper is it for them to get a customer through your platform?
They don't get customers through our platform.
Yeah. But I know that they care about that.
Time. You guys can take it offline. Let's hear it for Lendsnap.